On day 2 of his visit to the United Kingdom, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed a crowd of 60,000 members of the Indian diaspora at London's Wembley Stadium. Addressing the gathering, the Prime Minister said that a youthful nation like India cannot lag behind in development and that there is no reason for it to remain poor. The Prime Minister said that India is full of diversity and this diversity is our pride and strength as well.
हमें भारत और इंग्लैंड के समय को देखने के लिए दो घड़ी रखने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप इसको उल्टा कर दीजिए। आपको हिंदुस्तान का टाइम नजर आ जाएगा। ये दुनिया के दो कोई भी देश के साथ ऐसा समीकरण नहीं है।
Highlighting the historic bond between India and England, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that relations between the two nations will deepen with time. Prime Minister Modi got a rapturous welcome by thousands of Indians at the Wembley Stadium in London. The event was themed Two Great Nations, One Glorious Future. Addressing the gathering, Prime Minister termed his visit as historic and said that he has come to Britain after 12 years. He spoke to the crowd about his plans to develop India into an economic superpower. He pledged to make India a country on the same level as any other, evoking huge cheers from the assembled crowd.
मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूं, जो सपने आपने देखे हैं, जो सपने हर हिंदुस्तानी ने देखे हैं, वे सपने पूरे करने का सामर्थ्य भारत में है, ये मैं भली भांति अनुभव कर रहा हूं।
Prime Minister Modi said that world now looks at India with a new hope. He added that the world sees India as a land of opportunities.
हमारी भी कोशिश है कि भारत का स्थान अब दुनिया में औरों के साथ बराबरी का होना चाहिए और हम दुनिया से अब मेहरबानी नहीं चाहते। अगर हम चाहते हैं तो बराबरी चाहते हैं, बराबरी।
Prime Minister Modi said that India is full of diversity and this diversity is its pride and strength. He added that the country has shown the world how people belonging to various religions and speaking over 100 languages can live in harmony.
ऐसा देश जहां 100 भाषाएं हो, 1500 बोलियां हो, हजारों प्रकार के खान पान की पद्धतियां हो, दक्षिण से निकले उत्तर पहुंचते पहुंचते सैकड़ों प्रकार की वेशभूषा नजर आती हो, कितनी विविधताओं से भरा हुआ हमारा देश है। और विविधता ये हमारी विशेषता भी है, विविधता ये हमारी आन बान शान भी है, विविधता ये हमारी शक्ति भी है।
He also praised the contributions made by the Sikh community by sacrificing their lives to defend the country and toiling on the field to provide grains to the hungry.
सिख समाज की एक विशेषता रही है कि वे मां भारती की भी रक्षा करते रहे। मां भारती की रक्षा के लिए अपना खून बहाते रहे और आजाद हिंदुस्तान में भारत माता के संतानों का पेट भरने के लिए वे खेतों में अपना पसीना बहाते रहे।
Identifying terrorism and global warming as the two main global challenges today, Prime Minister Modi said teachings of Mahatma Gandhi can provide solution to these problems. He added that India is playing significant role in dealing with these problems.
गांधी को समझने का प्रयास करें तो आतंकवाद से मुक्ति का रास्ता भी मिल सकता है और ग्लोबल वार्मिंग से मुक्ति का भी रास्ता मिल सकता है, क्योंकि गांधी इतने दीर्घदृष्टा थे।
On this occasion, the Prime Minister announced a direct Air India flight between Ahmedabad and London from December the 15th.
15 दिसंबर से लंदन अहमदाबाद डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट शुरू हो जाएगी।
Massive crowd in the Wembley Stadium replicated the scenes from Prime Minister Narendra Modi's earlier rallies at the Madison Square and SAP Center, United States, Sydney, Dubai and Shanghai. Earlier cultural programs showcasing dancing styles from across India mesmerized everyone present. Bollywood singer Alisha Chennai belted out her famous Made in India Hindi number from 1990s too. At the end of the program, mammoth fireworks were also on display once again, remembering the festival of lights, Deepavali. Sudhir Yadav and OP Das's report, DD News, London.
So Prime Minister Narendra Modi doing what he does best, connecting with Indians across the world.